So I can't see Brian, but I'm sure you can see me.
You can make it so you can.
That's all right, wherever you guys want. That's how you got it organized. So let's begin, please. Okay.
Generators and motors by the generators.
The scientific definition of a blizzard is a storm with sustained winds over 35 mph, typically lasting over 3 hours. A nor'easter is a specific type of blizzard with nor'easterly winds and heavy precipitation. Problems consist of no heat, power outages, traveling difficulties, and snow on roofs falling on people.
Power outages can cause a need for portable generators.
We checked out a 3,000 watt gas powered portable generator and used it to run some devices. These are pictures of motors. The generator has two parts, a gas engine and an electrical generator. Don't we all already own gas engines? Problem solution. Many people don't have generators and the government does not have enough money to fund for them. When a nor'easter hits a community like Jay, Maine, they can lose their power, but if their car engine had a built-in generator that could power their devices at home, that would solve their power problems.
How a car engine works. Check out our video with model engines.
You put fuel into the engine.
This is the air filter. It filters air before it enters the carburetors. The carburetors take air and fuel and mix them together into a spray that shoots into a cylinder.
The spark plugs make a spark that ignites the fuel and makes the piston go down. This is the distributor now. It allows the spark plugs to fire in order. This is the coil. It increases the voltage from the battery to allow the spark plugs to ignite the mixture.
Starter uses electricity to move the lever to start the engine.
The alternator it's turned by a bell that turns mechanical energy into electricity that charges the battery.
Water pump pumps water around the engine block to cool it off and then goes back through the radiator to be cooled off by airflow.
The oil filter filters the oil which then lubricates the piston.
Hi, Brian, you're on.
Okay. The first model it's shown that if you spin the handle on the back end of it, it makes the big gear go
That's
around,
really see right there, but the lights and
Rich.
stuff are powering up.
and there's a smaller gear attached to it. And it's connected with a Lego chain to a motor that powers the house.
Oh, yeah.
The other model is an electric thing, and it just shows how the pistons go up and down. It does have issues, right? It gets kind of stuck sometimes, but it's the best we can do for electric representation. So, and we built both those models by ourselves.
All right, good, Brian? How a generator works. Mechanical energy goes into a generator and electrical energy is produced. A motor is the opposite. Electrical energy goes in and mechanical energy is produced. This is a representation. You put mechanical power in and electrical power comes out, and if you reverse it, electrical power goes in and mechanical power goes out. And this is a galvanometer. When you push it in, the electrolytes go around the coil, which powers the galvanometer with the direction of the rod.
Pros and cons of our solution. Pro of it would be it provides power for light and cooking in a power outage. Con, it wouldn't be able to power everything in the home at once unless the car had a large generator. And pro, almost anyone could start a car as opposed to a regular generator that you'd have to learn how to use constantly.
Carbon monoxide can kill you, and our solution is a metal dryer hose to vent the exhaust. Another con is it's hard to get fuel in a storm if you run out. It's hard to get fuel. The motor can overheat and ruin itself. The pros are the generator head is rated for continuous use. Pro generators can provide power to run furnaces, supply heat to homes.
Yeah, sorry, but you're running over time.
The generator head, the part of the generator is turned by the engine to make electricity, costs about $400.
Hey, Brian, I'm gonna catch you up because we're out of time, but that may come up in Q&A, so we're gonna bring you back up live, okay? And we'll go right to Q&A.
I didn't have to read.
Could you tell us about the sources you guys used in your research?
We used a book on electrical energy, and we used Wikipedia and .com. About electrical energy. That's about it.
Did you talk to anybody?
Yes, we did. We talked to Tim Hardy from the,
Franklin
it's in the research.
County Emergency Agency.
Emergency benefit.
Excellent, thank you.
So I just want to make sure I understand what your solution is. It's something you attach to a car, or it's some way to generate power from your car?
It'll come standard in the new cars. We're going to try and get it. So when you buy a new car, the generator will already be in, and it'll have a cord that you plug into your house with a transfer switch to switch it between the wires and the generator.
Okay. Got it.
So as a team, how did you come up with this as the problem you wanted to solve and then the solution to solve it?
Because of the big nor'easter in 1998 in North J, that people lost powers for weeks and had ice hanging on all the electrical wires and stuff. They went without power, which could spoil their food and lose heat and stuff. So with this idea, if you had a generator already, it could power your homes, keep you warm, keep you food, and keep you safe.
You can generate enough to run your house off a car?
Yes, you could, depending on the whole, yeah, not the whole house at once, but different items at
If
different
you
times.
wanted
run your
to use,
refrigerator.
like, charge something, or then you wanted to use your stove or something, you could
Yep.
switch it back and
I'm
forth.
sorry if Brian heard that question, but he may have some information. for you.
Okay.
Brian, the question was, would the car generator be enough to power your house?
Not all of it at once, just the essentials like your stove, not an electric stove though. Electric stoves are energy hogs. But if it's like a gas stove or the fridge or just anything that you need.
You'd use one thing at a time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it was smaller, you could probably use 2 or 3, like
Yeah.
if you just wanted to trench. Like, I know you wouldn't use a full, but like something like that,
Did you,
it's small.
just one more question, did you have any, I know you were talking about cost effectiveness, and I think I saw from your slide, you were talking about the cost effectiveness of generating power, but do you know how much it would cost to build this, or how much it would cost to add this to my car if I were buying a car new?
Brian, did you hear?
I did.
Okay, go ahead.
It would only add about 2% more to your car
Okay.
if you buy it new. It's the average price is like $30,000. This costs about $400.
How did you come up with that number? The
We-
400.
We searched generator heads and just found an average price.
Okay.
I think that's all.